Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic external causes. Check Google's status and whether Gmail is down for others. Once done, clear your browser cache and cookies and open Gmail in an incognito window to isolate extensions. If that fails, restart your device and router to refresh network assignments and DNS. Make sure your connection isn't behind a restrictive proxy or VPN. If it is, temporarily disable it. These steps remove common client-side blockers, so you can move to targeted fixes. Next, sign out of Gmail and sign back in to refresh tokens. Review two-step verification and account recovery options to ensure authentication isn't failing. Once signed in, update the Gmail app or your browser to the latest version and disable extensions one by one to spot conflicts. On mobile, clear the app cache or reset app data. On desktop, create a new browser profile to rule out corrupted settings. These steps address account and client-level issues that commonly cause temporary errors. To finish, switch to another network or use mobile data so you can tell if the ISP is the issue. Once on a different network, try Gmail again. If you use a VPN or firewall, temporarily disable it to see whether packets are blocked. Make sure AMAP/SMTP settings are correct if you use a mail client. If the problem persists, gather error messages and screenshots, then contact Google support. Providing precise error codes speeds resolution and helps you get back to work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.